This is the new boosted trimmer by Gamma. I want to find out if this trimmer is worth the buy. Find out in this video. So, what's the verdict? Should you buy the Gamma boosted trimmer? My opinion, I would say yes, because Gamma always upgrades their tools. They're always working to upgrade that equipment. Now, this trimmer is super lightweight. It has about 120 minutes of runtime. It has charging docks, USB-C. I mean, you've got the diamond blade, zero gapping tools. Guys, I mean, what more can you want from a trimmer? If you've got the money, invest into your tools and always upgrade your tools 100%. Is this trimmer worth the money? Yes. If this video helped you in any way, you know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with a bell notification, and also make sure you hit that like button. It helps more than you think. Guys, new videos coming out where I'm going to also be comparing these two clippers, the Gamma boosted trimmer versus the Stylecraft Sabre trimmer. Make sure you look out for that. Hi, it's Tyler the Barber here, and I want to personally thank you for watching our content. Click on one of the videos here to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for exciting new videos dropped every single week. And I'll see you in the next one.